What's going on there, guys? Bobby from Stingray Alley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put power steering fluid into your C3 Corvette. Now, it is really simple, but if you're not too familiar with Corvettes, you're not going to be able to find it. And first of all, you want to make sure your Corvette actually has power steering because it may not have it. Now, come take a look at this. Now, if you're looking at this video, you probably have a squeaking sound or kind of like some rubbering deal whenever you turn the steering wheel. And you're going to open up your hood, and just by looking at it, you're not going to be able to see it. But here's your alternator, here's your hoses for the radiator. It's directly underneath your alternator, right in there. I already have the cap off because I need to put some fluid in there. Mine doesn't have any issues. It was just a tad bit low, and I'm getting it all ready for sale here. Just got the oil change and just going through all the fluids and topping them off. But if you are having issues with your power steering, it is right here. It's a hassle to get to. As you can see, you got belts in the way, hoses in the way. You're going to want to get a long funnel like this with a nose in here, and you're going to want to kind of angle it to where it fits right into there. You're probably going to make a little bit of a mess, but don't worry about it. You're going to get right in. This is the hard part. They put this in such a horrible way. So now we're just going to put a little bit in. Like I said, mine wasn't really, it's not empty at all. It just needs a little bit. And you really want to go slowly in these because it fills up extremely quick. So I just put in a little bit right there. Here's your cap, and you're going to measure it out. Now, in the first, some of these cars, I used to overflow them a ton. So we're going to put this in. You want to go in from behind, show them right here. So the easiest way to put this in is you're going to go underneath that belt, in from the back side. If you try any other way, it's extremely hard. So see the belt there? You're going to take it out from behind the belt. And still a little bit low on it, so we're going to go ahead and put a little bit more into there and just top it off for you guys. But yeah, that's how you guys find out exactly where the power steering fluid goes. And if you need anything else, this Corvette is for sale. It's a 77 model, side pipes, 350. So come on over to Stingray Alley. And make sure to leave us a comment if you have any other questions. Y'all take care.